Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I'm gonna share my new shoes. I got two packages from Aldo, one of my favorite shoes brand, and I was gonna talk about my life update. So I know not many people give a shit about that, but I'm giving a shit because that's my life, and I think some people think that my life story sounds interesting, so I wanna share my life updates too. So let's get started. How cute the boxes are. I got two, and actually I bought them at store, but one of them ran out of sizes, so I just ordered them. I didn't want to bring that while shopping, because while shopping I just went to so many stores with my mom. I went to shopping like 2 days ago. Anyway, I got this package yesterday. So the first one is this shoes. I'm gonna open it. This beautiful kind of summery shoes, right? And also wear like a summery top. I got it from Forever 21 when I was in Canada. Anyway, there are other colors, white and pink color, but it looks like a little toned down pink. But I picked up the black one. Actually, I spent so much time to decide which color I'm gonna get between white and black, but I always go with the black, so I decided to get these guys. The size is the smallest one, 225. I don't know the US size. That could be 5, I guess, 5.5. Yeah, I love this gold detail, and it's like a real leather kind of detail here. Snakes. So I love it, and the heel is not like a too high. I'm not a big fan of high heels, although I'm not really tall. I'm normal in Korea. The heel is perfect and it's really comfortable. I don't have many shoes for summer, so I'm excited about to wear them soon. But the problem is it's getting really windy in Korea. It's so weird. Still really cold outside. I should be waiting for wearing this, guys. Yeah, so this is the first shoes I want to share. You can see the box looks smaller than the first one. Okay. This white sandal. How cute. This is, I'm really into like white color shoes, so I went to so many stores to find the right one. This is the perfect one for summer, because I saw so many people wear like white color boots, but I don't want to wear the same one. Does it make sense? So I picked up this one. Actually, it also comes in so many different colors. Neon, green, pink, metallic, silver, and black, I guess. And you can see the front design is a little special. It's not like too much round or like too much sharp. It's like in between of them. Yeah, and it's comfortable and it's not high, you can see. So I can wear it with jeans and like shorts, kind of casually. I'm a casual girl, so yeah, it's gotta be a perfect shoes for me. I'm pretty excited about that too. Actually, my plan is like talking about my life update while unboxing, but I unboxed them so quickly and it's kind of hard to explain my life while like opening the boxes, so I'm just gonna talk about my life. Yeah, so what things are going on in my life? So many things, like you guys. I'm just focusing on getting a job, and I spent a lot of time at home by myself. I haven't done many like creative activities. I recorded so many music, so I'm gonna share that soon. I really wanted to make YouTube videos a lot. I really missed it sounds so cheesy, but I got a skin therapy like on Tuesday. Today is Saturday, for 5 days. Since Tuesday I was not allowed to do makeup because it was quite intense thing. It was really painful. That was for removing my acne scars. I mean, not the red one, the real scars on my face. So you cannot see that on this screen because I put makeup, so I'm trying to not use too much like makeup this day, so that's the reason why I didn't upload many videos, although I have a lot of time. What I'm gonna say, yeah, and I like writing a lot of things. I start sharing my writings on my website. The reason why I share my writings, I start journaling a lot in the morning. When I wake up, I don't know, I just wake up naturally around like between 5:30. Yeah, my body just wakes up, because I think I usually go to bed so early, like 9:30, so that's my like sleep pattern. So wakes up and I make my bed and make some coffee, and definitely I go to bathroom. I'm sitting on my chair and start writing. To be honest, when I wake up, my brain is vacuum, so I need some time to think of what kind of things I'm gonna write down, but just many random interesting ideas comes up and I just pour them on my paper, and I can see my ideas on the paper, so I don't know, that makes my mind clear and I feel great after writing. So I do that. Kind of boring life. I feel a lot of boredom these days, and sometimes a loneliness too, but because I'm kind of in transition period. I know life is always uncertain. I'm trying to be okay and go with the flow, and doing things make me feel better, including YouTube things. So oh, I forgot to tell it, and I chopped my hair a little bit. You can see my hair looks shorter, and I also dyed the root part. So I look more like neat and clean and tidy. Today is Saturday. I'm seeing my friends later at night, so I'm pretty excited about that. And I read a lot of books. I love reading books. I don't watch TV, so that could be the reason. I reread Meditation by Marcus Aurelius. Oh, it's a hard name. I love philosophy, so after reading that, I just want to know more about Stoicism. So maybe I'm gonna read or research about that. And I'm reading these days Blink. I just started reading yesterday. That book is about subconscious decision. Yeah, kind of intuitive thinking, intuitive decision. And I'm into Down Dog, the app. You should try if you have a lot of time and you want to just move your body and you are into yoga. That's free these days because of coronavirus, so you can use that free of charge. The cool thing of the app, you can decide level and the length of sequence and background music, everything you can choose, so you can mix and match. So that's pretty cool. And what I'm doing these days, I'm really into music, so I listen to a lot of music and I play music. I'm trying to make music, but I get distracted a lot. So yeah, sometimes I call my friends and just try to think of the future in a positive way. So try to be cheerful and try to be like excited for the future. This is all I want to share for today's video. I hope you guys like it and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Comment down below what kinds of activities you do at home for making yourself feel better. Anyway, stay strong and keep loving yourself. Thanks for watching it, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.